Hello, today we're going to be doing chocolate chip cookies. Um, it's a fairly easy recipe, doesn't take a lot of ingredients. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our butter and our granulated sugar and light brown sugar and cream it together with a little bit of vanilla flavoring. So what I like to do is I like to actually cut my butter into little chunks so it can fit in the blender a little bit easier. Take my brown sugar and granulated sugar, add in, and my vanilla extract. I'm going to blend all this in together to make a nice little cream. Try to make sure everything is blended in fairly well. Just this a little bit also. There we go. So as of right now, everything is kind of getting creamed together. Has a nice creamy texture to it. Now that that's creamed real good, you're going to add in your flour, baking soda, and salt, and your eggs. So, take my flour, my eggs, and kind of add them in one at a time. Add the second egg. Now I'm just slowly adding my flour into the mix. You want to make sure you get your flour and everything kind of blended in there pretty good, fairly well. And a lot of times some of the ingredients kind of get stuck on the side of the bowl. What you might want to do is take you a spatula every once in a while and just kind of go along the side of the bowls and push everything back into the middle to ensure all of your ingredients get blended in fairly well. And so it's like all my ingredients are in there pretty well. So now I'm gonna add my chocolate chips. Get those into the mix. This recipe doesn't call for a lot of chocolate chips, only a cup. So you just want to make sure those are blended in fairly evenly. Alright, so now everything is blended in fairly well. The next thing we're going to do from here is we're actually going to put our cookies on a non-stick pan or a non-grease pan. And well, I like to use the parchment paper. It's a lot cleaner and everything. And what I'm going to do with my cookie batter is I'm going to take this small scoop so I can get my cookies are even and uniform in size. We're going to place them on the baking sheet. So first, move all of this out of the way. Baking pan. Just going to take small little uniform scoops. The baking temperature for these cookies is going to be 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And your cookies are going to bake for probably about 15 to 18 minutes in time. And when you're placing your cookies on the baking pan, you want to make sure you have enough space for them to expand, because they will expand. There you have it. So place these cookies in the oven. Let them bake for, like I said, about 15 to 18 minutes. And we'll show you the finished product. Okay, our cookies are complete. Here they are. And I must say, they smell pretty good. So, thank you for watching. And that's how you make chocolate chip cookies.